Lovely stuff. Holy shit. Not very easy when you have big hands like mine. Holy shit. To change it up this time around, I got an orange thread locker. See if we can make something happen. Holy shit. Those quickie push rods, easy install push rods, not very easy when you have big hands like mine. Holy shit. So those are in, like I said, 0 lash and then 21 flats is what they're referred to, is what I did to get them to their spec according to the Fuel Moto website. Those are all good. I put it in 5th gear and spun the back tire, made sure everything sounded right. It didn't sound like anything was clanking against each other, so that's good. So we're gonna go ahead and get the final covers put back on, and then probably the carb, exhaust, and gas tank, and then she's about done. Completely back together now. I'm gonna get this carb thrown on, the cables wired, put the exhaust on, and the gas tank, and that's about it. Oh, I also did rejet this. I went from a .0295 intermediate to a .032, and the main jet went from a .072 to a .076. Not 100% sure if that's the correct mixture, but I went off of the the S&S chart. I'll put it up in here somewhere. I went with the larger side of the stroker or something to 98 inch or something. Felt like forever it took for me to get that carb done, but holy shit, I don't know. Anyway, gas tank's going on. Pretty sure I just got this whole bike together, minus this, with the intention of putting gas in this and starting this tonight, and I just realized I don't have an exhaust gasket. Fuck. Yeah, that sucks. Just making sure we got fuel, like it's in there. Let that bowl fill up a sec. See if we can make something happen. I call that a success.